Next, we want to do the logic builder. Okay, you click to the processing. Okay, processing, and then after you check, and the operation is left like this, right? Then you have to delete this one. Click the build, that hammer one, and then set up the logic builder. First, you click use, and then you click the resources. Click the worker, and then you click the duration. You type 10 minutes, and then you paste. Okay, then it will show you at the operation builder, this one. Okay, make sure it use worker for 10 minutes. Okay, then next step is you have to click the products location is at the incoming palette. Use worker for 10 minutes. Output products to the destination machining center. First rule is first one, and move logic, you type move with worker, then free. Oh, sorry. Okay, and free. Move with worker, then free. Then this one also you have to check like time operation, double click, and then you check this one, compare and successful. Okay, then you copy this one. We will paste to the machining center. Okay, peace, I say peace. And then you check it again. Okay, lastly, go to turning center. Do the same step. Okay, do the same step, which is you paste, and then you check it again.